Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can track the web time you spent in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, in the first step, launch the Opera browser, for example, on your desktop computer or on your laptop. And as far as I know, there's no built-in web time tracking feature here, but you can use Opera supported extensions for that. So to do that, navigate to Opera browser and click into extensions in the top right. Select manage extensions. Here in the extension management center, what you want to do is click into this button to the left. And here in the extension center, switch from wallpapers to extensions and use the search bar here to search for example, time tracker or something like that. And then you will see a list of available time tracking, web time tracking, or activity tracking features. So I will go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, if you'd like to use the given extension, click into this button, wait for the installation to be finished, and you will see the instruction here in the top right corner. So if you're back on your home screen, click into the extension menu and then use the time tracker here. And what you want to do is, for example, switch between today, all time, and you will see, for example, the stats for the last day and so on and so forth. Of course, since I have just started using that extension, there's not much data here, but you can, as you can see, use this extension in this case without pinning it to your toolbar, for example. If you'd like to remove it, click into remove extension here, confirm, and it will disappear from your list of installed extensions as well. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.